2020 Charger Hellcat. Front end collision damage. Runs and drives. Need the right 3/4 nose. Short towel looks okay. The apron has some damage. The radiator support is damaged. The cooling is damaged. Frame rail shifted over a bit. Cooler's a little twisted up. This fender and light look okay. Windshield is broken. Doors line up okay. No buckles in the roof. Quarter panel's clean. This quarter looks good. These doors line up real nice. No buckles. Take a look inside. Nice two-tone interior, brown leather, red seat belts, really sharp. We have a knee airbag that's deployed. Driver's seat's in good shape, very little signs of wear, and both airbags are deployed. Be on the website soon.